Hey guys, what's going on everyone? Mr. Crypto here. Welcome back to another video. Now in this video right here guys, I'll be showing you a brand new Venom task that you guys can do for a potential airdrop. And basically this one is very simple. In the comment section below guys, you will find a link which will bring you over to this page. And this is basically where we will be doing the tasks to get our NFT reward. And these tasks are very simple. Basically, first of all we gotta do is we have to follow QAmon on Twitter. So we're gonna go ahead and do that real quick. So basically once we have followed them on Twitter, we're gonna go back into the page and we're just gonna refresh to make sure it actually loaded. And once we have done that, we're gonna just follow them. It doesn't come up. So basically we're just gonna click check again. For some reason it's not coming up, but basically guys, we're just gonna have to wait a minute or so and then come back around and then just click check and it should work. So yeah, our task is now completed, and for the second task for this quest, we're gonna have to send an on-chain mail through the app on QAmon. So we're gonna go ahead, click on that, we're gonna connect our wallet, and we're basically just gonna send an email. So yeah guys, the next thing we have to do is just send an email to a random Venom wallet address. So guys, you can use my one. I will leave a link to one of my Venom wallet addresses in the comment section below. So I'm just going to use someone else's here, and we're just going to type in whatever and then whatever, and then we're just going to click send. So I'm just going to log into my Venom wallet real quick. So yeah guys, we have basically just typed in our password twice, and as you guys saw right there, the email is sending, and we can see in the bottom right corner that it is actually sending. And yeah, there you guys go, the email was successfully sent. So we are now going to go back into the quest, and basically we're going to click on check just to make sure that we have actually done it. So there you guys go, it is now turned green, and next of all we can just mint our NFT right here. So we are going to press on mint and we're going to confirm the transaction. I just have to type in my password, and there we go. So it's going to be processing, and then we should receive our NFT. But yeah guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.